Good morning, Namaste students. Friends, today I am going to teach you the topic lesson plan, which is from the course Pedagogy of Biological Science. So, students, the lesson plan is a group of activities which have to be executed in the class. The plan of a lesson is necessary to achieve the goal of a teacher, pupils' behavior change, etc. The lesson plan makes the subject attractive, effective, and successful. That's why we have to need to develop the lesson plan. Through a lesson plan, a teacher can recognize the inherent characteristics and capabilities of his students. Now here are some steps, some phases in the meaning of lesson plan. Like first phase is pre-active phase, second is interactive phase, and third is the post-active phase. In this lesson plan, you can see that in pre-active phase, teacher emphasizes on the following point, like objective of teaching points. First he take, then strategies of teaching will be included in this topic. After that, teaching aids and skill maximas also included to develop the lesson plan for the pre-active phase. If we talk the interactive phase, in this teacher emphasizes on activities like diagnosis of pupil level, remedial task, action, operation, etc. In post-active phase, teacher evaluate that his goal has been achieved or not. Keeping these points in mind, teachers should have to prepare a lesson plan. Now there are some definition of a lesson plan. Like according to C.V. Good, a lesson plan is teaching outline of the important points of a lesson arranged in order in which they are to be presented. It may include objectives, points to be asked, reference to material, assignment, etc. Binding and Binding have explained the structure of purpose of lesson plan in their definition according to them. Lesson plan involves definition of objective, selecting the arranging the subject matter, and determining the method of procedure. And embossing defined that lesson plan is the title given to a cue sequence of achievement to be realized and the specific meaning by which these are to be attained as a result of the activities engaged during the period. Now, so these were some definition. Now we have the point. What is the importance of lesson plan? Why we need it? The lesson planning plays significant role in the process of teaching. It has its own value and the advantages. In teaching learning processes, the teacher need and the importance of lesson plan precisely be mentioned in the following points. First, a lesson plan is necessary to create proper educational environment in the class for effective teaching. It delimits the teacher's field of work and thus enables him to define his aims and objectives more clearly. It makes teaching work systematic and organized. A lesson plan organizes the teaching well. It instructs daily work. It helps the teacher to confront sudden situation in the class confidently. The lesson plan helps in creating the interest of students towards the lesson. A proper correlation is established between old and new lesson. The lesson plan provides guidance to the teacher as to how and what he should teach. This compels the teacher to think about the using teaching aid. This helps teachers to select the best teaching method and maxima of teaching the lesson. The lesson plan also helps the teaching matter is organized in a time frame. It is important as it eliminates any chance for forgetting and missing a point. and there is a provision of giving home assignment according to the mental level of students, and this also helps to different teaching skills during presentation of the content. By the process of evaluation, teacher make sure that his objective have been fulfilled or not. Now here is a format of lesson plan. While there are some format of lesson plan contain some element like title of the lesson plan. Firstly we should give, then time required to complete the lesson, in what time, in how much time we will complete that particular topic. We have to mention the time in that. Then list of required material in preparing the lesson plan, what we need, that material have to be described. Then list of objectives, of which objective we are taking to start the topic, or after ending the topic we should consider that have our objective completed or not. Objective should be there for the behavioral changes of the students. Next, the set that focus student or lesson. It may be skills concepts which include showing picture or model, asking leading questions, or reviewing previous lesson. Next, an instructional component that describe the sequence of events that make up independent practice that allows students to extend a skill or knowledge of their own. And a summary where teacher wraps up the discussion and answer questions. And evaluation components, a test for mastery of the instruction skill or concepts, such as a set of questions to answer or a set of instructions to follow. Analysis component, which the teacher used to reflect on the lesson itself, such as what he has been worked upon and what need to be improved. So these were some elements of the lesson plan. Now students, I'll take some other topic regarding the lesson plan in next session. We will continue in next session. Thank you.